And here are the entries that made it to the Best Folk Pop Recordings official nominations.
For the Best Folk Pop Recording, the nominees are Muntik nang maabot ang langit, Ituloy ang laban, Senti, Dito sa lupa, and Lola.
The Best Folk Pop Recording is... Muntik nang maabot ang langit. Bob Guzman, composers Medwin Marfil and Ferdy Marquez, and artist True Faith.
Good evening po. First of all, I would like to thank Pari for this award, to Octo-Arts EMI Records, to Boss Orly for his continuous trust in me. And most of all, I'll give back all the glory and honor to Jesus Christ. Thank you.